Huh? Why this accident happened?
Yeah, because the main cause, the lack of management, lack of supervision.
Uh-huh. Lack
And
of, uh, lack of supervision, and also were there. Lack of, they were also not interested in incident investigation because in the store one accident happened, but they didn't take any action for this. Another
yeah,
thing is uh, the two ladies they were going there. They saw the spill, but they didn't report. Another thing, this guy who was refueling the machine, the equipment, the cleaning machine, he was refueling this in a bad place. And the safety officer, he was also not like taking full responsibility. Like, see, now this guy, he is refueling the equipment. You told him, oh, why you are doing like this in this place? This is not for this. Just only stand there, and once everything khalas, then tell him, give him warning. Yes or no? Yes?
yes, yes,
Giving him warning. And apart from this, also complain to his line manager. And because if you stand on the place, you there, then if the spill happen, they will clean. Now the two ladies, they were going there down the stairs, but they also saw this, but they didn't report. They didn't report. And apart from this, the management also not conducting the spill drill. If they conduct the spill drill, so the guy who was cleaning definitely clean it. And the two ladies who saw this directly report. Clear? So there was poor supervision, less management commitment, and this gives rise to poor culture of the organization. No proper supervision and no proper training to the people and no proper reporting system. Clear? Agree?
yes, yes,
Okay. Now, investigation report. A summary of the accident circumstances and conclusion of the investigation team. Details of the person injured, the date, time, and location of the accident. Information gained during investigation includes the type and extent of injury sustained, the work activity at the time of the accident, the precise circumstances of the accidents, environmental conditions, uh, then control measure in place. Now, details of witness and copies of their statement were taken and driving in photographs. Analysis of the information, immediate and underlying causes identified and applicable legislation, recommendation for remedial action and action uh, plan, record keeping, then record keeping. Once we investigate, report, then record keeping. Incident, accident, and ill health records should be kept for the following reason. For monitoring purpose, to prevent a reoccurrence, legal reason, national law may specify a period of time for record to be kept. Occupational ill health may occur more many years after exposure to hazards, and health surveillance relating to individuals should be kept for 30 years. The actual accident report we will keep for 5 years, but if there is some ill health effect, it will be kept for 30 years. This is the ADOSH requirement. Huh? The 30 years, like not when he joined, when he left, like I joined in organization. I worked there 20 years. So it's not like this. They will keep my record for 10 more years. No. When I left from this date 30 years, huh? Corrective and preventive action. The health report, huh? The health report. When when once the incident is reported, corrective and preventive actions will be taken. An action plan will be developed. Senior management should be involved because They have authority to make decision and act on recommendation. A specific senior person, probably a director, partner, or senior manager, should then be made responsible for ensuring the action plan as well as a whole is put into place, which risk control measure should be implemented in the short and long term. Because for short term also we have and for long time also we have. Um, Nofal bhai,
Yes.
should we take a short break for 15 minutes? Because this guy is sending me the message. Uh, I think he is in trouble.
Okay.
He is telling me I need this madam number, this number, this number, but he is from Philippines. So how I can guess?
Okay, no problem.
Okay, so 11 we will come back, okay?
11 o'clock. Okay, fine.
Okay, follow. When some accident happen, we investigate the accident, and for this we take the action. We develop the action plan. Once we develop the action plan, we discuss this in meetings. In meetings, when we develop the action plan, before this, the incident report conclusion, we take some action. But we discuss this in a meeting. And based on this, we take action plan. In the action plan, we give responsible roles and responsibilities to some of the employees that uh, this employee will have to do this work within this time frame. Now for this, there is required a follow-up. So now we are discussing here the follow-up. The action plan will be implemented and will be followed up by the HSC representative and will be monitored by the top management. Why by the top management? Because the top management provides the resources. The top management provide the resources. So now we go ahead. Communication. Why communication of accidents? Once we have accidents, we will have to communicate this to all the employees. What's the root cause of the accidents? This is very important because if we communicate the incidents to the employees, then in this way we can prevent the same type of accidents in a workplace. So when accident happen, we investigate this properly and we find the uh, root cause of the accident. And we have to investigate this root cause of the accident to the employees. Why? Because if the employees know the actual root cause of the accident, then they will not repeat the same thing in future. So when we investigate the accident, it plays very important role in our safety culture. To identify opportunities for corrective and preventive control measures and to ensure effective communication of the outcome of the investigation to relevant stakeholders. Now, incident report form. Now, as per the ADOSH requirement, we have three types of form: G, G1, G2. And when we will add, once how we will report, how we will fill and submit the form G, G1, and G2. So as per the ADOSH, form G, be submitted to the concerned sector, submitted to the concerned sector regulatory authority, mean the SRA. If we are working in school, we will have to upload this to the Al-Ada. After this, we have the Al-Ada training, so we will discuss there also. For fatalities within 24 hours of incident and for other serious incident within maximum of 3 working days or 72 hours working days from the date of incident. Date of incident means like Friday accident happened. So Sunday, Saturday, Sunday will be not counted. Next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. These are the like from the date, not with the date, from the date. Accident happened on Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Accident happened on Tuesday. So accident happened on Thursday. So Friday, Monday, and Tuesday. Up to Tuesday, we can uh, we can submit. Now here, Form G1. To be completed and submitted to SRA as soon as practicable, maximum 30 calendar days from date of incident. Form G2. All non-serious incidents not requiring immediate notification to SRA should be investigated and result recorded. Like see, G1. To be completed and submitted to SRA as soon as practicable, maximum 30 calendar days from date of incident. Form G2. All non-serious incidents not requiring immediate notification to SRA should be investigated and result records. This G2 is not required to report in the LADA. Just only we will fill this in, keep with us in a record. Yes. Now, before this, some sectors like the DH, they were telling just only report this a near miss or something. But after, and EDIC also required this, the Abu Dhabi Education Council. After this, now they are telling keep this with you. Huh? So during the third party audit and also the SRA, when they conduct audit, they check this. A report to SRA time frame. The SRA shall be officially notified. Notification. This is the notification. Within 24 hours of fatality and 3 maximum working days from the serious accidents. Serious, like serious dangerous occurrence. Schedule A in the mechanism 11. Schedule B or Schedule B, serious injury. Schedule C for the illness disease. Now, OSH injuries illness shall be notified to SRA based on immediate judgment of their severity. Incident may not only require immediate notification to the concerned SRA, but also to other relevant authorities as per their existing reporting requirement. Ministry of Labor, EAD, RSB, Regulatory Supervisory Bureau, AD Police, etc. So also we require to report to them. Their report is not on the Form G, but if we have the report, we also have to upload this with the report. Because when some accident happen, directly police come. So the police report also we have to notify. We also have to submit to them. EAD also involved in some environmental accident and Ministry of Labor as well as RSP, Regulatory Supervisory Bureau, if there is some liquid spill involved. Okay, now we have one accident. Now we just only discuss reporting incidents with multiple consequences. Reporting an OSH incident with multiple consequences. Reporting an OSH incidents with multiple consequences. For example, a tanker truck delivering petrol to a construction site rolled over and an ambulance was called to the site. The driver, employee of the entity, received minor cuts and brushes. A passenger, employee of the entity, got an arm injury. The truck received substantial damage. Consequence of the incidents include medical treatment case. Driver, like he got cuts and brushes and sent to hospital. So MTC. Equipment property damage. Equipment and property damage. Like see, damage to the truck and last work days case injury. Passenger entities like property damage, damage to the truck. Now last work day injury. Like one guy, he was employee of the company, fracture, hand fracture, 6 weeks. 1 week, 6 days rest. So this is a so one MTC, one LTI, and one property damage. So number of consequences to be reported 3. When we discuss this in the when we discuss this in the Alada training, we have to report like this. Number of consequences to be reported 3. Permanent partial disability 0. Last workday occupational illness. Restricted workday case. Medical treatment case 1. Total injury and illness for calculating KPI 232 RCF. Now, total reportable case frequency. Last time, total last workday case workdays for calculating KPI 2 of 4. No time. Okay, now recap. Why incident investigation fail? No time to complete, no motivation to complete, lack of accountability, lack of skills and knowledge. Investigation stopped short and didn't reveal the root cause of the accident. Which of these will be an obstruction for you? All. Okay, now the summary. Investigate accident immediately. Determine who was involved and who witnessed it. Ascertain what item or equipment were involved. Record detailed description. Determine causes, causal factors. Conduct corrective action. Okay, you have any question, please?
No. Okay.
If you have any question,